Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can reset Counter-Strike 2 config CFG to default. So basically, it's extremely simple to do this. The first thing that we want to do is to go ahead and know our user ID number. To do that, you can just head over to your Steam application right here. Simply inside, you then want to navigate through your username, click on inventory, and basically from here, you then want to click on trade offers. Click on who can send me trade offers, and inside you will be able to see your own user number right here. In my case, it's going to be 1147419737. Right after that, you just want to head over to your folder or the Steam that's installed into. In my case, it's installed into my partition right here. If you don't know where your Steam is installed, you can just navigate through your library. From here, you then want to simply look for any game, right click on it, click on manage, and then you want to click on the browse local files. From there, you will then be taken to the Steam folder right here. So you just want to click on Steam, click on user data, and basically once inside, you then want to navigate through the user ID that we have previously saw on our inventory. In my case, it's going to be the 11474. And then you want to click on 730. Now this is going to be the Counter-Strike save files or the CFG. So just click on it, click on local, and from here you will be able to see the CFG. So we all have our saved settings right here. To reset it to default, you can just simply delete the 730 file. And from there, the application will automatically update, resetting your CFG into default. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.